Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can go to the template center and choose the template for you on your monday.com website. So let's start it. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, as you can see, you will be able to see the pillars icon here. So we have to click on the pillars, and after clicking on the pillars, you will be able to see the template center option here. So we have to click on the template center, and you will be able to see the different types of template here. Now you need to choose that which one you want, like the basic CRM, monday.com basic training, and the digital assist assessment, and the project management. For example, I'm going to choose this one, like the basic training. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, it has an option for the use template. So I'm going to click on the use template, and after clicking on that, the template will be inserted in your dashboard, in your workspace, in your main workspace. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the template on your monday.com website. So as you can see, now the template is inserted here. Now the all options for the template are inserted here. If you want to check out this, as you can see, now the options are provided here. Whilst working on it, need to review. So these all options are provided here. Now you can control this template, you can use this template on your account. So see you guys in the next video.